Hello, guys. Welcome to the halftime show for today, October 16. Okay, we'll talk about all the movers for the week. Lahat ng umakyat and mga bumaba. Well, most of them yung mga umakyat. So we'll be talking about mostly yung mga stocks naman na may volume. Hindi mga up ng 50% like today. Tapos wala namang masyadong volume like LFM. Value traded is 30,000 pesos. Okay, right? Um, so today is Wednesday. Nagkaroon ng 3 trading days na for the week. And let's check out all the winners and losers. So let's get on to it. But we'll talk about the PSEi first because it's important to know where we are now at current levels, kung nasaan yung index, okay? So here is the chart, okay? Okay. So PSE is up almost 1% today. Nakita natin na na-surpass niya yung mga resistance na 50-day MA. Okay? Here. Okay. So here, na-surpass niya yung 50-day MA, which is at 7,840. So now it's at 7,900. Headed to the next resistance is around 8,000 and the next one is around 8,200. So, ang lakas ng rally natin for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days straight rally, okay? Hindi naman straight, may dalawang gaps dito. So, we can see a lot of movers emerging or lot of beaten down stocks na nagkakaroon ng chance bumawi, okay? Pero, nasa spotlight today, well, for the week, is none other than PHEN. Okay? So PHEN nag-resume Monday, na-complete na yung backdoor listing ng Ayala Corp. Okay? So naging Ayala Energy. So nagkaroon ng trading out for mga almost more than 1 week yata dito sa area na to. Okay? Yan, nandiyan sa area na yan, na halt. Yung price is at 2.36. So kahapon nag-resume siya, nag-open siya ng open ng 242, tapos nag-close sa 256. Tapos today, nag-up siya ulit. So, from the moment na na-suspend siya, open, kang close at the close is 230. 230 to 20% up in 2 days. So, lahat ng tao siguro, lahat ng traders ito yung tinitignan, 20% up for the day. Tapos kahapon may bumili pa yata yung insider. Okay, so everyone is wondering bakit umakyat. So usually may rights offering, meaning ng SRO. Marami nagtatanong sa akin, sir, ano yung SRO? Meaning nun, if you have PHEN na shares, meron kang stock rights offering, SRO. Okay, meron kang rights bumili ng shares at the price na in-issue nila. So, issue price ng PHEN is 2.3, around that range daw. 2.25 to 2.35, around that range. So, kung meron kang shares ng PHEN, pwede kang bumili ngayon, sa 277, meron kang PHEN, pwede kang bumili at 2.30 by the time na magra-rights na yung date, by the time dumating yung date na yun. So, makakamura ka. So, well, umakyat din siya dahil usually naman may 20% discount sa stock rights offering. Ano meaning nun? Meaning nun, usually pa nag-close sa 2.3, magkakaroon ng stock rights offering at around less 20%. So, mga 2 pesos or below 2. That's why medyo nakakatakot and unsure din yung mga tao. And then, ngayon, sinabi nila, yung stock rights offering will be at that price where kung saan siya nag-close. So, that's why I think people are buying it, or people who sold it before, binibili nila ulit. Okay? So, that's the gist of the thing na nangyari dyan. And mag-change name na rin siya sa Ayala AC Energy. Okay. The counterpart of this na medyo malakas din yung galaw for the since last Wednesday. So, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday. Okay, so ito yung last Wednesday. Okay, so from last week, umakit siya ng 20% din. Okay? So this is the same thing na Maybe sinabi ko before, if nagpe-pay kayo ng attention, I told you the story about PPG, about their project. So if nawala kayo dyan, you can just review the videos before, okay? So this is up 20% pa rin, and nakikita natin it surpassed the high dito sa previous close na to, na 1088, pero meron siyang wick sa taas, which is at 13.26. So from today to the all-time 52-week high, meron pang 20%. So maybe it's worth looking at. And then we have momentum here at 42. ADX is at 42, so may momentum siya. So this is one of the movers also. Okay, KPPI, one of the top gainers last week. Out of the blue, bilang umakyat. Hindi ko rin alam. Hindi ko rin nahuli to sa Investa Cup. Kaya siguro yung number 1, meron siya nito. So lahat sila umangat. Anyway, from the bottom, it's gonna be 37% up in 3 days. So, i-zoom natin kasi mukhang maliit. So, now it's up 38%. Okay. From the bottom. So, sobrang laki nun. Imagine mo, if nahuli mo sa 9, sobrang galing mo nun. Okay, paturo na lang ako sa'yo. Okay. Now, it is nag-correct siya ng 1 day. So, I thought it will have another day of correction near here, near the 10 and 20-day MA, which is at around 10.34. But today, nagkaroon ng green candle. So, I will be looking to buy this tomorrow. And my cut will be here at 11.3. Okay? 11.3 yung cut. If this opens above 11.7, boom. Oh, wrong candle. Okay. Wrong color. So, pwede mo yung ganyan. Green. Yan. So, bukas bibili ako. Okay? Okay. So, this is, yan. Pwede ganyan. Tapos next thing ganyan. Okay? So, cut is 11.3. Risk is very, very clear. So, yan. May libreng tip na kayo. Okay, moving on. Ano pa bang gumagalaw? AXLM, IPO, medyo flop, below IPO price. So it's slowly going down. I don't know where the bottom is. So the current support is around 420. So twice dito. So ngayon, 434. I don't know if you want to buy this or not, but it's just there. All Home, IPO also at 1150. Currently at 1156, up 56. Up 6 cents at from 11.50 na IPO price. So, nandiyan lang siya. IPO price pa rin siya. So, ngayon parang may support lang dun sa IPO price. So, let's just wait and see what happens here. Okay? So, titingnan natin mga active top gainers. Okay? So, PHEN, AR, which is wala namang masyadong nangyayari dito. Ayan. You know. So, lahat ng mga lines na dire-diretsong ganyan, yung meaning nun, walang volume. That's why, hindi ko na pinag-aaksayanan ng time. Okay. So, ano yung GPH, top gainer din, but we're not gonna discuss it because nga, wala silang kwenta. Okay. One top mover will be SSI. Every day ako sa Zara, hindi umaakyat, pababa, buti yung umakyat today. So, now, what we see here is, SSI is establishing a support here at 2.43. What we saw here is bumagsak ng 240 and then retest dito. Ito yung retest. Then now moving up, trying to reverse. Okay, so this is still on a downtrend but trying to reverse up. Okay, so it might take longer. So, binabantayan lang natin siya. So, SSI is in the top gainer today. JG Summit also nasa top gainer. Okay, wow. Ganda ng chart din, no? Then yung 50-day yellow line is the yellow line is the 50-day MA. Okay? Yan. So, medyo okay lang. Trending. 52. Malapit na sa 52-week high. Okay? Tech. Okay, Tech. Sir Tech. Trying to reverse again. Look at this huge downtrend. Okay? This is a huge, ito, downtrend talaga to. Downtrend meaning it's pababa. Basta hindi ko siya i-rule out as an uptrend until hindi niya ma-break yung 50-day MA, which is this yellow line here. Okay? Okay, umangat na nga siya ng 10-day, pero hindi pa rin siya above ng 20-day. Pero hindi pa siya angat ng 50-day. So imagine mo for the last since itong month na to, November 2018, hindi pa siya umaangat ng 50-day MA. That's why I never trade or I seldom trade or try to trade downtrend stocks. So if binaliktad nyo to, ito yung gusto mong bull stock na bibilid mo. Okay? So 50 days still remains my main trend line. Okay? FA, top gainer, but it's still on a downtrend so wala rin masyadong development dito. Okay? So if I'm gonna trade something, it's gonna be parang Now Corporation. Bakit yung Now Corporation? Dahil na-surpass na itong buong downtrend na to, yung yellow line sa itaas, nalampasan niya na. Ngayon, ano na nangyayari? Right now, let's just zoom in here. Right now, what you can see here is the price is above the moving average. So meaning, baka may chance na siya mag-reverse. Diba? So if ever bibili ka na lang ng isang stock, itong Now na lang, diba? Or something like Now Corporation. Okay? Which is trying to reverse, and then we can see a lot of the. Okay. Moving on, ano pa ba yung mga gumalaw? Okay, we can see SMPH. Ito yung sobrang, well, hindi naman sobra, umakyat. We can see ABS-CBN move Monday. Okay, from up siya ng 6%. Not really a big development kasi parang sinasabi nila na si Duterte raw mag-take over doon sa ABS-CBN. So that's why nung weekend nabasa ko yung news. So siguro itong Monday, umakyat. Saka Tuesday, pero today, bumaba na siya. So this is still in a reversal pattern. Pero as you can see here, binuno ko yung line ko, di ba, reversal. Oh. Ito yung MA, 50-day. Ito, nagtatry mag-reverse. Above na ng 50-day MA. Pero ngayon, bumaba. Pero ngayon, nagtatry ulit umakyat. So the reversal is a long process which will take a lot of patience na wala ako. That's why, hindi ko siya tinatrade, okay? Okay, top losers for today. Oh, Santa Lucia Land is the top loser. But, take note, ito yung sinasabi nating uptrend. Kabaliktaran ng mga tech. Okay? SLI, look at this chart. Ano napansin mo? Yung yellow line, never nabe-break halos. Okay? Diyan lang siya. Okay? It's an uptrend. Uptrend since 2019. So, buong taon, uptrend siya. So, if ito trend, follow mo siya, break, hindi ka magbebenta. Dire-diretso lang siya. So, it's down big today. Okay? Down siya ng malaki today. Pero as you can see, before, meron din mga down day siya na malalaki. Okay, yan. Tapos yan. Tapos yan. Tapos yan. But it still remains above uptrending, above the 50-day MA. So, anything close to 20-day, 50-day, itong support nitong trend line na to, you can buy it and then sell it towards the resistance or pag umakyat. Okay? Vulcan, okay, umakyat to nung Monday and Tuesday. Okay, pero bago umakyat, nag-gap down din to nung last 2 weeks ago. So, we can see the gap down here. In-announce niya na itong gap na to, in-announce niya na hindi na tuloy yung partnership niya with Dennis Uy of Converge. Ngayon, umakyat na naman ulit. Ba't umakyat? So, I think maybe there's a development or simply by looking at the chart, it can be a fill the gap. Okay? So, the gap is here. 119. So, yung gap na dyan, so fini-fill na yung gap. So, nag-rally pag fill ng gap. So, if you don't, ito, fill gap. Fill the gap. Okay? So, if you don't know ano yon, you can Google it. Ano yung gap fill? Ano yung fill the gap? Ano meaning nun? Okay? Okay. So, wala na ba? PHEN, 8% up. Okay. I guess that's it. Meron kayong nakuhang free tips? Here at the halftime show, we only discuss the update sa market, ano nangyayari sa market in general at saka ano yung mga gumagalaw. So, I try to keep people or traders or investors updated with current market movers, winners and losers, both of them. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for updates every Wednesday. And then premium subscriber will get to watch me twice a week. So that's every Sunday. So if you want to be a member, please email me at boomieuniversity@gmail.com. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Ituturuan pa ako. Have to go. Bye.